I'm going to make these recipes in 3 steps. So firstly, I have taken here 1 bowl finely chopped French beans, 1 capsicum finely chopped, 1 bowl of grated carrots, and 1 bowl of cabbage which I have squeezed out the excess water from the cabbage, and I'm adding here, and 3-4 tablespoons of spring onions. And now I will add here, mix it all together, and I will add here 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. I have used here half a teaspoon of salt. And now I will add here cornflour, 1/4 cup, that is around about 4 tablespoons of cornflour, 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour I'm going to add here. This is for the binding. Remember, the cabbage releases water, but before adding cabbage here, you just squeeze out the excess water. And now mix it all together. We need to form a dough sort of thing. We need not to add water here because we have added salt, and the salt will release some moisture from the veggies. And just mix it with hands and make a dough. Now I will heat a pan for frying, and now I will take a small portion and give a shape, round shape with the veggies, and I will check if my oil is perfect for frying. Firstly, I will take a small portion like this, press it with your palm, and then fry it in the oil. If it sticks or if it does not come out properly, then you need to bind it a little bit more with corn flour. Mine is okay, so I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown in color. At this time your flame should be slow, and turn it and fry till it's golden brown in color. Manchurian is another Indo-Chinese dish, and it is loved by all the Indians from all over the country. So it's very easy to make. Just follow the steps. And for the third step, now in a bowl, I'm going to add here 2 tablespoons of chilli sauce, round about 1 tablespoon of soya sauce into it, red chili sauce 2 tablespoons or according to your taste, tomato sauce 1.5 tablespoon, and mix it all together with a little bit of sugar, around about 1 teaspoon of sugar, and mix it with a little bit of water, around about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and make a paste out of all the sauces and set it aside. You can add water while boiling according to your gravy, the thickness of the gravy you want. And now in the same pan, I'm going to add here finely chopped ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic finely chopped here. Stir fry it in high flame. Your flame should be high at this time. In high flame till the aroma comes out, nice aroma comes out, and then add 1 large diced onions. In Chinese cooking, you know that we don't fry much of everything, and I have added here 2-3 chopped green chillies. And now I will add the capsicum, diced capsicum, 1 diced capsicum, and stir fry it for about a minute. And now I'm adding salt. Remember, your soya sauce and all the sauces contain salt, so be very careful while adding the salt. After stir frying about 1 minute, then I'm going to add the mixture of the sauce which we have made with chili sauce, tomato sauce, red chili sauce, soya sauce, everything. And now I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, or according to your taste, the spiciness you want. And I'm adding here cornflour celery, and mix it well. And when it starts boiling, at that time I'm going to add all the Manchurians. And everything I'm cooking here on high flame. You did not have to take much time. Everything is done. Stir fry it for 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, and then add the spring onions and switch off the gas. Give it a standing time and serve it hot with Chinese fried rice, which I have uploaded this video for you in my channel. Please do check it once.